Good morning, students. Welcome to your online mathematics class. So I hope you have finished the questions which I gave yesterday. Those who were unable to solve, it's okay, but keep trying and you can ask me your doubts. So today we will proceed with next concept and we'll solve more questions from R.D.Sharma of class 9th. Alright, students. So you can clearly see here chapter 2. Alright, let me take the marker. Alright, so I'll write today's date 11/07/23. Alright, so this is from book R.D.Sharma. So it is good, students, when you solve questions from different books, so you will get better in maths and you will have good understanding also, and variety of questions when you will try, then you can score good marks also. So these are the questions which are given and this will be the assignment for you. I'll solve few questions, and besides these there are other questions which I have given and which I will solve. Repeat them at least twice, students, otherwise you will be confused and you won't be able to solve. So the first question is, simplify this first part, 16 raised to the power minus 1/5, then bracket 5/2. Okay, so I'll solve few questions and then I'll give assignments for you so that you can solve the other questions also. Okay, so this is the first question, 16 raised to the power minus 1/5. Okay, so 16 means, students, I can write this as 2 raised to the power 4. So you can calculate 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, right? 8 and 16, 4 times. So this means 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 raised to the power 4, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, right? So this means in place of 16 I can write this as 2 raised to the power 4. So I will write this as now 2 raised to the power 4, right? Then minus 1/5, students. Be careful of brackets and pass, and then you have 5/2. Okay, now what we'll do, you will take this power and multiply it. So 2 4 into minus 1/5, bracket out 5/2. So this means this is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 4/5. Simple multiplication, students, nothing complicated in this simple multiplications. What we have to be careful of, the pass and the brackets. So this 5/2. Alright, very simple. So this is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 4/5 into 5/2. I'll change the ink so that you can differentiate that I am cancelling this out. So this means this 5 and this 5 cancelled, students. Now 2 1s are and 2 2s are. So this is 2 raised to the power minus 2. So what do you mean by 2 raised to the power minus 2? This means this is 1/2 raised to the power 2, because whenever power is in negative, if we take in denominator, it will become positive. So this is 1/4. 1/4 is the answer. Simple, students. Okay, I'll solve more questions. You will get better clarity. Okay, I hope this is clear and my audio and video is clear so that you can clearly see and clearly understand. All right. So this next, this is 343. Okay, students, this is 343. Let me take the marker. Okay, which color ink should I take? Which color do you want, students? Okay, I'll take this light blue. Now this is 343. All right, then bracket minus 2 and this cube root. So 343 means, students, this is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. Don't forget this. Okay, you are in class 9, students. All these numbers, perfect squares and perfect cubes, I told you should know this by heart, and I told you to write them in your formula copy also. Okay, so even if you don't know, then what you can do, you can take this LCM. Okay, then start solving 7 1. I'm not telling all these basic, students. You are in class 9. I had already explained in class. This you should be thorough with this. Okay, so now 343, this means I can write as 343 as 7 raised to the power 3. This is 7 raised to the power 3. So I will write 343. Okay, minus 2, and already explained yesterday, students, whenever we remove the signs, whatever power is there, it will be like this, 1/3. So this is equal to 7 raised to the power 3 minus 2, then bracket 1/3. Is it clear, students? So this is 7 raised to the power minus 6, then power 1 by 3. Because this is multiplied, students. See how I have multiplied? 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, which is equal to 7 raised to the power. Now multiply this, minus 6 into 1 by 3. So I'll change the ink of the pen so that you can differentiate. I'm cancelling this out. 3 1s are and 3 2s are. So this is equal to 7 raised to the power minus 2. Right? Very simple. Which means I can write this as 1 upon 7 square. Which means 1 upon 49. Now don't ask me, students, how I wrote 7 square is equal to 49. This is very basic and which I have been telling so many times. 7 into 7. Okay, 7 square means what? 7 into 7, which is ultimately what? 49. I hope it is clear, students. Alright, very simple, students. You understand the concept and keep practicing, you will be thorough. Okay, so the next question which I have not solved is assignment for you. Alright, so don't ask, sir didn't give us assignment. The assignment is the parts which I have not solved. Okay, that is assignment for you. You have to complete this and you have to repeat these questions also in your fair registers. Okay, for a break which you got. Okay, so I'll solve few other questions, selective questions of R.D.Sharma which are difficult and which will be easy for you, students. Okay, see this question. So I like the marker, student. The marker is with this rainbow colors, and since I have the bigger visualization, so I cannot take the other marker. This is when I have to taking the different backgrounds, so that is why I have just written this question. So I'll start with the solution. All right, so let me change the ink. Okay, I'll solve with green. Okay, now see here. Now it is saying 27 raised to the power x is equal to 9 upon 3 raised to the power x. Find x. So question is saying you have to find the value of this x. Simple, students. I told whenever you have numbers, okay, these are numbers, try to make the base same. So 27 is the base and power is x. 3 is the base and power is x. And here 9 is the base and power is 1. So 27, students, very simple. I can write this as 3 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 3. Very simple. 9 I can write as 3 square, which is 3 into 3, which is 3 square. Alright, so this means now I will make the base same. So 27 raised to the power x, I will write 3 raised to the power 3 bracket x, which is equal to 3 square upon 3 raised to the power x. I hope you have understood this, student. This is important. Okay, because until and unless we make the base same, we cannot solve for the powers. Okay, this powers. Okay, so okay, I'll change the ink. You can differentiate then. Blue we already took. Okay, let me take dark blue. Okay, so now this you multiply, so this will be 3x. 3 raised to the power 3x is equal to, so this is the law of exponent, students. Okay, law of exponent I already explained in class, but still okay, I'm repeating. Whenever base is same, right, and it is division, so powers will be subtracted. So this is 3 raised to the power 2 minus x. This means I will write this as 3 raised to the power 2 minus x. Very simple. Now see here, base is same. Now you see this and now compare the question. Here the question when base were different. Here 27, here 9, and here it is 3. Now we have made the base same. Okay, so this is the catch. You have to make the base same. Now base is same, so powers will be equated. Okay, so 3x, here is the power, and this is 2 minus x. So minus x, when it will come this side, it will become positive. So 4x is equal to 2. So x is equal to what? 2 upon 4, which is equal to what, students? 1 upon 2. So this is the answer. Okay, I hope you have followed, students, and it is clear. Okay, watch this video again at least twice, students, then only it will be clear to you. Okay, so I'll proceed with next, then it will be much better for you. Okay, so these are difficult questions of RD, so I'll be solving more difficult questions once you get thorough with these types of questions. Okay, all right, students. So next question. I hope it is clear, students. All right, so see the next question. Now see here, same, this is 2 raised to the power x minus 7 into 5 raised to the power x minus 4, which is equal to 1250. You have to find x. Now see here, what did I tell in previous question, student? You have to make base same. So here the number is 2, here the number is 5, and here it is 1250. So what I can do, 1250. So let me change the ink. So 1250 I can write as what? This is 125 into 10. So 125 is what, students? 5 cube. 125 into 5 into 2, because when I multiply 1250 into 125 into 10, then only I will get this. Okay, so you should do the calculations fast like your sir. Okay, so 125, again perfect squares and perfect cubes I already explained in class, and I told you students you should do this in your formula copy and you should know this by heart. So 125 is cube of what? 5 cube is 125. Now we need 1250, so multiply by 10. So 10 can be factor of what? 10 is factor, not can, is a factor of 5 into 2. So now we got 5 into 3, 5 raised to the power 3, right, into 5 into 2. So this is 5 raised to the power 4 into 2. So base same, power is added, law of exponents again. So this means 2 raised to the power x minus 7 into 5 raised to the power x minus 4 is equal to 5 raised to the power 4 into 2 raised to the power 1. When there is no power, then it is 1. So don't think that anything raised to the power 0 can be anything. No, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. But if there is any number, the power is 1. Okay. Suppose if I write 4, so here the power is 1. And if it is 4 raised to the power 0, then this is 1. Be careful of this. Okay. Alright. So now see here, base is same, right? And here also base is same, right? So what did I tell? When base is same, so powers will be equated. So 2 raised to the power x minus 7 is here, and this is 2 raised to the power 1. So this means I can write this as, let me take eraser. So I can write this as, alright, 1 minute students, x minus 7 is equal to 1. So the x is equal to 8. Simple. What do you have to keep in mind? You have to make the base same. Now if you want to equate the powers of 5, that is what all you can do. So that is the beauty of math, students. You can solve questions by different methods. The only condition is your concept should be correct. Okay, logic should be correct. So same here, 5 raised to the power x minus 4, right? And here 5 raised to the power 4. So base is same, powers will be equated. So x is equal to 8. Alright students, I hope you have followed and all the concepts are clear. Watch this video at least twice, students, and repeat the question at least twice or thrice. Only then it will be clear. Okay. Alright students. So thank you for your attention.